Morning friends. In continuation to discuss about secret of success, today again we are going to discuss one of the very important factor which contributes a lot not only to develop one's personality, also to get the desired success in his or her life. बहुत बार दैनिक जीवन में हमें अहम निर्णय लेने होते हैं। कई बार हमारे लिए ये बड़ा आसान होता है और कई बार हम ऐसी स्थितियों में फंस जाते हैं जब हमारा दिल कुछ कहता है और दिमाग कुछ और कहता है और हम एक ठोस निर्णय लेने में चूक जाते हैं। इन्हीं परिस्थितियों में ये फैक्टर हमें बहुत फायदा पहुंचाता है, बहुत हेल्प करता है। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट फैक्टर। एंड व्हाट इज दैट फैक्टर? दैट फैक्टर इज कॉल्ड rationality. Rationality, we will discuss what is rationality and how can we develop rationality into our profile so that we can take firm decisions in our day-to-day life and we can get the desired success or to become more successful person in our life. So let us discuss what is rationality. Rationality is taking firm decisions by giving preference to logic without emotions. And now we will discuss which are the factors which help us to develop rationality into our profile. And why it is very important, because I am sure that one question must be coming to your mind, ki how can we develop logics, from where we will bring logics into our process to take firm decisions. So establish logics. These are the few factors which help us to develop rationality into our profile. The very first, whenever you have this kind of situation where you have to take firm decision, the very first factor is find out the choices. How many choices you have, whether you can take decision A, whether you can take decision B, or whether you can take decision C. When you have different choices, then just quickly go for the next step, which is called consequences. Think about the consequences. If I take decision A, what would be the consequences? If I take decision B, what would be the consequences? If I take decision C, what would be the consequences? And then move on to the next step. If I take A, B, C decision, then what values it carries for me? Not only my decision, also the people, those who are having involvement in kind of this decision, what values it carries for me. This is very, very important. Then next step is that, do I need to have some more informations? Many times it happens, because of lack of informations, we fail to take correct decisions. So this is very, very important to have adequate information so that you can take form a decision which can satisfy all the persons. The next step, sometimes we need to have some help from other persons. So the next step, do I need help from other persons? Sometimes it is quite possible that alone we are not able to take firm a decision. We need to have some discussion with our seniors, experienced persons, experts, or our elders. Do not hesitate. If you need to have some help from other persons, take initiative and request to have help. And when you have all these things, then take decisions. And after taking firm decision, if it is required, the next step is reanalyze whether you have taken the correct decision or not. By doing the process of all these steps, when you take decision, that decision would be absolutely a rational decision which would satisfy all the people, those who are connected or concerned with this decision, so that they all will be satisfied, they will all have respect for you, and you will get the desired success in your life, and you will be highly appreciable person among the society, among the professional, and the personal life too. So this is all about the rationality. It's very important. Start implementing in your day-to-day life and develop rationality into your profile. Thank you so much. Bye bye and keep enjoying.